Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This is occasion I have presentation about my course as Economic and ICT Learning Media. Okay, before enter the material, I want to tell you about my identity. My name is Reski Mayula Putri. I major in Economic Education in Padang State University. For my identity number is 19053019. Okay, this occasion I have two topics about learning media. For the first is design of learning media with assurance model approach, and the two is designing learning media with the Anderson model. Okay, for the first, design of learning media with assurance model approach. Assurance stands for analyze learning characteristics, state objective, select or modify media, utilize, require learning, response, and evaluate. And this is model ISSURE suggests 6 main activities listen learning. For A, analyze the general characteristic of the target group, whether they are high school or college student, member of youth organization, companies, age, gender, culture, and socioeconomic background, and analysis the specific characteristic which includes, among other, initial knowledge, skill, and attitude D. For S, state or formulate teaching objective, namely what new behavior or abilities, knowledge, skill, or attitude the student and learning process is complete. The goal will evaluate the selection of media and sequence of presentation and learning activities. And for SMORE is select, modify, or design and develop appropriate material and media. If the available teaching material and media will be able to achieve the objective, the material and media or otherwise used to same time, energy, and cost. And for U is using material and media. After choosing the right material and media, it is necessary to prepare how and how much time is needed to use them, in addition to practice using it. Room preparation is also needed, such as the layout of student seats, the necessary facilities such as equipment tables, electricity, screen, and other must be prepared before presentation. And for R is request feedback from student. Learners should encourage students to provide response and feedback regarding the effectiveness of the teaching and learning process. Student response can vary, such as repeating voice, presenting of overview or summary of information or lesson, or analyzing alternative problem or case solution. The student will show greater participation. And for E is evaluation or evaluating. The learning process, the main purpose of the evaluation here is determine the level of student achievement regarding learning objective, media effectiveness, approach, and learning themselves. Okay, the next, the ISSURE model tips are as follow. The first is analyze learning, the two is state objective, and the third is select method, media, and material, and the fourth is utilizes media and material, and the fifth is require learning participation, and the last is evaluate and revise. And for two topic about designing learning media with the Anderson model. Okay, this designing depends on Anderson model. Okay, let's to see. Anderson suggests that the media selection procedure begins with The first is ask a question whether the media to be selected will be used as a means of independent learning or as a means of teaching. And the two procedure is determine the learning strategy, namely whether you want to provide a learning experience of attitude, physical or cognitive skill. So for two procedure, after process to choose the appropriate media from the 10 media group according to Anderson, namely audio media, audio print, silent visual projection, still visual projection with audio, motion visual with audio, objects, human and environmental source. Then next about Anderson in years 1976 suggests that there are two approach or model in the process of selecting learning media, namely closed election model occurs when alternative media have been determined from above. For example, by the education office or the Ministry of Religion. So, like it or not, that is the type of media that must be used. And for the second approach is open selection model. This is open selection model. We have free to choose the type of media needed. And the next about factor in media selection. We have 7 factors about media selection. The first is goal factor, the 2 is effectiveness factor, and the 3rd is the ability factor of teacher and student, and the 4 is flexibility factor or durable virtuality, and the 5 is media availability factor, and the 6 is the suitable factor between benefit and cost, and the last or 7 is factor of quality and technically. And Anderson divided the media selection process into 6 steps. Each step is reviewed until the end of the step, namely carry out media design and production activities. Okay, the first 6 by 6 step. The first is the initial step is into determine the characteristic of the message to be conveyed, whether the message is the form of face. Oh no, this is not my mean. You still focus to me. This is chicken sound. Okay, next. The message it is the form of faith, concept, ideas, law, conceptual theories, or the message it is the form of instruction, certain assignment that lead to mastery of skill. In the 2 is next stage to examine how the right method is accordance with the characteristic of the learning message. And the 3rd is learning message needs to be analyzed more operatively, especially in relation to the characteristic of the objectiveness. We can take the theory of Bloom at 1956 as 17 analyzed combines in the 3 stages with different level. Cognitive competence with the input level of knowledge, understand, application, analysis, synthesis, and assessment. And the 4th step is the next determine the media that is suitable and is accordance with the objectiveness and in accordance with the characteristic of student, but in the term of number as well as in the term of other characteristics or media that are accordant with the production capabilities, facilities, owned and available schools. And the 5th step is evaluation needs to be done to consider more careful the advantage and disadvantage of the media that has become the choice. And the last step is the final step is planning for media development and production. Okay, I think just it my presentation for right now. I'm sorry for my mistake and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.